Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chloe. Today we're going to be making Scotch eggs. So first I'm going to show you the ingredients. First you'll need panko breadcrumbs, some sausages, onion, apple, plain white flour and loads of eggs. Place the eggs gently into the saucepan. 8 of them. We're going to half boil the eggs for 10 minutes, so set a timer, and if you want them softer, boil them for less. Whilst the eggs are cooking, we're going to slice up the apple and onion really fine. The eggs are now done. We drain the hot water out and we put the cold water in to stop them cooking. This is the fun bit. So we roll up our sleeves and we get a big mixing bowl and we squeeze all the sausages into it. So now that's done. I might have accidentally got a few skins in there, but never mind. Splash of oil, and now we put our onions in. Fry the onions. We give it a nice stir, and we're going to wait until they go caramelized, like light golden brown. We've left these in there for 10 minutes. They've gone nice and sticky and changed colour, so I think they're about done. So whilst the onions are cooking, we are going to peel the eggs. So crack them on the table or in the pan. Now we have our 8 eggs peeled, we are going to add the apple and onion and give it a very good stir. We've stirred it all nicely. We're going to take about this much and make tiny little sausage balls. So now we're going to make an egg station, a flour station and a breadcrumb station. So first we crack the eggs into the bowl. So now we're going to wrap the sausage meat around the egg nice and evenly. So we flatten this out, the egg in, don't squeeze it too hard. So we wrap it round, just can't see any egg. Now it's done. Now I've whisked the egg, and the next stage is to grab a meatball thingy, whatever, and drop it in the egg, just roll it around for a minute. And then put it in the flour, just roll it around nicely, and then put it back in the egg, just roll it around, and then we just drop it in the breadcrumbs and make it nice and bready. And then that's our first one done. So we've managed to finally make our Scotch eggs. There's 4 in the air fryer and 3 that's uncooked. We put them in there for 180 degrees for 50 minutes until they're done. So Scotch egg is now done. So it took a bit longer than 15 minutes, but it's perfect. Let's have a look inside. Oh wow. Oh gosh. Oh. Alright, let's chop it a bit. Whoa. Okay, that's really hot. But I think we did a pretty good job. Put them in there. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Hope you enjoy your Scotch eggs.